Audio Jungle.
Hi, this is Krish here. I'm your personal life skill coach and I'm here to help you to live your life to the fullest. Someone had asked me this question: what's the secret of success? What's the mantra of success? And I was reminded of this anecdote. There was this disciple who goes to the master and says, Master, can you tell me what is the secret of success? What is the technique for someone to become successful? And the master says, okay, let's go for a walk. The master and the disciple, they walk towards the beach. The master leads the disciple into the water. Water becomes almost ankle height, then it becomes knee height. He's not stopping, he continues to walk towards the water. Then when the water reaches almost the waist height, suddenly the master catches the neck of the disciple and pushes it in the water and keeps it underwater. The shocked disciple didn't know what hit him. He's trying to free himself, but the vice-like grip of that master keeps it underwater. After around 3 minutes, the master releases the grip and that disciple jumps out of the water. He's spitting water, he's coughing, he's choking, and after a couple of minutes, the disciple asks the master, Master, what did you do just now? You almost killed me. The master asked the disciple, when you were down there, when you were underwater, what were you thinking of? What was the thoughts that you had in your mind? And the disciple, without even taking 1 second, saying, the only thought that I had in my mind when I was there was I wanted a breath of air. Every cell in my body was screaming out for oxygen. I was desperate. And the master looks at the disciple and says, this is the answer to the question. If you want to be successful, then you need to have the thirst, you need to have the fire, you need to be desperate. Every cell in your body should scream out to be that you want to be successful, and then no one can stop you. Now, I think each one of us also should first know what is our ambition, what's our goal, what is the purpose of life, why are we existing. Every day morning when we get up, we need to ask ourselves, what should we achieve today? And once that goal is ready, we need to have a fire, we need to have a passion, we need to have a thirst, we need to have a desire, we need to have the strong little desire to make sure that we make it happen. Once you have the thirst, once you have the fire, we become literally unstoppable. There were these two birds flying. Suddenly a jet went by, with the smoke behind, and the first bird looks at the second bird and says, friend, I wish I could fly like that. The second bird looks at the first bird and says, if someone puts fire to your back, you will also fly like that. So don't wait for someone to put fire to your back. You make sure you put fire to your back. Every day morning, you make sure you put fire. Make sure you charge us. Make sure you pump yourself up. There are a lot of things that you have to achieve in this life. This short little life is waiting for us. So have a goal and then make sure you're pumped up and charged up. You're thirsty for success, so that whenever anybody criticizes you, when somebody says it's not possible, when we face obstacles, challenges comes in front of us, you know that nobody can stop you because you are like a missile which has been programmed to success. You're going to hit the target. So wish you all the very best. May you achieve great things and be blissful. Thank you.